Hypnosis or hypnotherapy is an ancient practice that uses guided relaxation and concentration either to analyze some deeper feelings and trauma of yours or to influence someone's behavior. There is so much controversy around this topic because some people think that this is actually nothing else than just a magic trick, and others say that this is actually a legit clinical treatment. So my question now is, can a hypnosis session really make you or help you get rid of any of your fears, especially your fear of public speaking? Hello everyone, my name is Lumi. Over here I talk about communication, psychology and public speaking, and by the end of this video you will know if hypnosis for public speaking is a scammy fake or a life-saving tool. Last week I got this video in the recommendation section on my YouTube, and honestly speaking I didn't really bother about that until 2 days later I got this message from a friend of mine. And first of all I thought it was a very creepy coincidence, but second of all I realized that there are actually a lot of people who hope that this kind of videos will help them get rid of their fear of public speaking. And because this channel is about public speaking and psychology, and conveniently I happen to be a very curious person, I decided to make a little research/experiment video about that. First, I decided to go back to where it all started, YouTube, and I searched for content on public speaking hypnosis. What I saw was a bunch of videos that either promise you to get more calm, more confident, cure the stage fright, become a great speaker, or simply show you the miracle effects of hypnosis. The most intriguing video, nonetheless, promises to help you with your sexual dysfunction alongside with your performance anxiety. I realized the relevance of this topic by the thousands and thousands of views on all those videos. So for a second I thought, maybe people are indeed natural public speakers, and what you need is simply a video that will bring you into a special state, and then boom, you're awake and you are brilliant. And I want this as well. So I took the most popular video, with the one with the highest view count, more particularly with 160,000 views, and I decided to go through this whole 22 minutes and 48 seconds myself. I also decided to film this whole experiment because you never know, maybe when I'm in this deep state of mind, my body does something that I never noticed, but now I will see it and I will realize it, and then I will be awakened and I can make a public speaking presentation on that. Intrigued? Stay tuned till the end of this video to see what were my final feelings, reactions, thoughts about this whole hypnosis experience. In the meantime, I recalled all those hypnosis scenes from movies where people simply get unconscious and the person manipulates them. So I started to wonder, is it even safe to do all these hypnosis sessions at home, online, by yourself, all alone? Is there any risk that you can get injured, or that you fall, or that the person on the other side of the screen will manipulate you to, I don't know, send them your credit card number or security number or your address or whatever other information? To get more answers, I decided to ask some specialists. So I went to Instagram and texted 12 people that call themselves hypnotherapists. And I wrote them all the same message. Hello, their name, my name is Luminica, and I saw that you are practicing hypnosis. Is there a way to reveal my public speaking skills? And if so, how? Thanks in advance and have a great day. In the first 30 minutes, only 4 out of 12 replied. I'll write here if something changed by the time I'm editing this video. And somehow only John was confused what I mean by revealing my public speaking skills. The rest, simply send me a list of how they can help. To my follow-up question if it's even safe to do this all online at a distance, surprisingly, again, only John said that we actually have to be in the same room so that he can observe my behavior. One girl said that I don't have to worry, she's doing this all the time, nothing will happen. And a third lady said that she doesn't really have time for me, but I can book a call on her website and she will answer to all my questions. A very interesting input was brought up by Jody, who told me that hypnotherapy has actually nothing to do with stage hypnosis. So during our sessions, she will not manipulate me and she will not make me do anything I don't want. I will actually be awake and aware, we will talk, and I will simply be super relaxed. And this information gave me hope. I also emailed a couple of hypnotherapists from Austria and southern Germany, and I was actually planning to maybe go there and ask them directly what's going on, but because the information flow was so low, none of their responses will be in this video. If there's any update, I will definitely let you know on my Instagram page. Okay, so after going through this experience, first of all, I indeed felt very relaxed. So if you want to try this kind of videos, choose a better chair. And I understand why it can work for some people, because the voice from the video was constantly screaming into my ears that I'm a very relaxed and confident person. I'm a confident person. I enjoy public speaking. I enjoy being in the center of the attention. I am a confident person. And yeah, it's said so many times that if you indeed are anxious, you at some point can really think, oh yeah, you're right, I'm a very confident person. I can see how it works for mild anxiety if you just are afraid to go on the stage. But if you have a really serious fear of public speaking, if you have like really panic attacks, I think you would need to see a specialist. Consequently, can a good psychologist or even hypnotherapist help you understand and locate some of your traumas or reasons why you're afraid of public speaking? Yes. I even talked about this in my last week's video, in my storytime video, where I said that nobody was born with this fear. There should have been some events in your childhood or teenage time that made you afraid of being judged or laughed off or attention or whatever. But can a 20 minutes video on YouTube or an audio file that will be sent to you and you have to listen during sleep kind of rewire some traumas and fears and go to your very deep subconscious and actually make you a public speaking guru? No. Although I don't exclude the placebo effect, especially if the minimum price of it is £497. What is your opinion on hypnosis? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if it was useful for you. Click here and here to see more content on communication, psychology, and public speaking. Click here to become part of my growing community. Don't forget to click on the bell button to never miss any of my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!